Welcome back everybody to a new tutorial. I hope you are all doing great. So without a lot of talking, we'll go straight on to today's tutorial. I'm using a beautiful cotton yarn from Alizé, and this is a very nice color. You would have seen it if you've seen my shopping haul from some time ago, last month. And now it's time to make it into a beautiful project. So for this yarn, in the label here it shows that you can use from 2 till 4 millimeter crochet hook, but I'm using a slightly larger one, which is 4.5 millimeter hook. Why? Because I want my project to be as light as possible to wear it, and that's it. Yeah, so it's very easy as usual. We'll start with a slip knot. And I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the first chain, which is this one, I will make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Okay, slowly but surely. Okay, now this is the first, will be considered as the first row. Now on to the next row. What I'll do, chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now into this chain 3 again I will make 3 double crochet. We will call this a cluster, so we know, because we'll keep repeating this pattern for almost the whole project. So 3, I'll chain 3 again and turn, and same thing, 2 double crochet. With a chain 3 it's considered 3 double crochet. Now in the space, 1 cluster, which is again, as we said, 3 double crochet. Then again at the end, 3 double crochet. Okay, now we got kind of triangle. We repeat the same for 2 more rows. After this, chain 3 again and turn, 2 double crochet in the stitch, and cluster in the space, and we have another space added, so another cluster. If you wish to use a bigger hook, which is 5 millimeter crochet hook, I think it's okay. It'll be even lighter than this, which is fine, especially for summer projects. And the last stitch, again 3 double crochet, like so. 1 more row of increase, chain 3. So the purpose of us making a cluster in the stitches is to increase the rows. 2 double crochet. Again, now we have 3 spaces, so 3 clusters. The color is so pretty. It's like sea time, beach, and sand. Just fun. Very nice color. I was lucky to find it. I think this was the only one left from this brand. Like, there were plain colors, but the mixed ones, I think that was the last one. Last cluster. And the last stitch, 3 double crochet. Okay, so now that's it. Now you see what we're gonna do. From this point, we're gonna keep our work straight till I obtain the length I want of my project. Of course, once I get there, I will tell you how many rows I did, but for now we're not increasing anymore. We're just keeping the work straight. So what I will do now, I will chain 3 and turn. Now I'm not gonna do 2 double crochet here. I'm just gonna fill the spaces with clusters, and at the end of the row again I'm gonna do only 1 double crochet, not 3, only 1. So only in the spaces I'm gonna do clusters, which are 3 double crochet. And here is the last, where I'm gonna do 1 double crochet only, chain 3 and turn again. I don't have a space here, so I will go to my next cluster. Yeah, I'll go to my next cluster and do 3 double crochet. Next cluster, next cluster, and see. Now, one thing we need to understand so we don't get confused, because sometimes it is confusing. See, now when I started, I didn't do a cluster here, so now you have a space, and before the row before, it's the same over here. So whenever you find a curve like this, that's a space, and that's a cluster as well. That means when at the end you find spaces like this, you have to do 3 double crochet. If you don't find spaces like this, you only do 1 double crochet. I hope it's clear. So here, 3 double crochet. So we keep the work straight. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now again, As you can see, it's a very repetitive work and it's very easy to do, nothing complicated, but still it's very pretty to wear. Okay, now this was the previous row where I did only one double crochet and chain 3. Now again, like I said, this will be a cluster, means 3 double crochet in the last space to keep my work straight, not curvy, not triangle, just straight like this, you can see. And again, when I come back to the next row, this will be another cluster. So I'll keep working straight till the end, and I'll come back and tell you how many rows I did and how we're gonna close again, because the closing is not gonna be straight, it will be the same as this. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Okay, this is my bandeau almost finished, and I have done here a total of 76 rows. So from where we started here till here, it's 76 rows. And now I'm going to show you how we're going to decrease and get it back like this triangle before we can wear it. So now for the decrease, I'll start here as normal with chaining 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and I'll work the clusters as always on my spaces. So 3 double crochet, and this is the last cluster of this row. Okay, done. See, this is a space, it's supposed to be to keep it straight, to be another cluster, but what I'm gonna do is just 1 double crochet to close this row. This will be our first decrease, and then I'm gonna chain 3 again and turn. And now I'm not gonna work here in this space, I'm gonna work in these 2 spaces only. I'm gonna make again a cluster. And here again I have space. I'm gonna do like I did in the previous row, only 1 double crochet. So this is the next decrease, and I'll keep doing the same. Chain 3, turn, not working on this space, I'll be working only on this space. Chain 3, and then 1 double crochet, and now I'm gonna chain 3 again and turn, and then I'm gonna do a cluster on the second chain, on the third chain from the hook. So this should be the last one, and in the space okay, and chain 3, turn, and a double crochet last in this space, and then we fasten off. There, that's it. We got the thread, and I'm gonna sew this thread later on in between the corner. So basically this is what you get, 2 triangles on each side. And now it's time to wear it, and I'll show you different ways you can wear this beautiful easy bandeau to achieve for summer, and it's a lot of fun. It's nice if you choose a mixed color like this, or any color you like, it's your preference. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.